Hey guys, welcome to another room tour here from the SJBBVideos YouTube channel. Today's room tour will be from the Comfort Inn at Kingscross. Room 133 is a single room, so let's go. So this is the first time going in the room for 2 nights. Let's have a look what we've got in store, shall we? I can actually figure out how to use this. So, finally got the key thing working. You have to swipe like a certain way. Let's turn this electric on. And show you around this room. Right, so it is quite small. So it is a single bedroom for the night. It's at Comfort Inn Kingscross. It cost about £100 and about £170. So about £130 per night, but then I managed to get it price matched through Trivago, so always double check your prices. So I choose hotels.com as my primary place to book hotel rooms from, because they do price match and you do collect reward nights as well. Okay, so what I've got, so basically I have no idea what that is. I think it's like an aircon. Nice TV. Also your standard electric thing. Couple of hangers. Your safe, not too bad. Laundry bag, extra pillows up there. Mirror, so hello. Kettle, little lamp, my camera equipment, hairdryer. So obviously it's just a single bed. The view's not great in this room. Well, start saying what view really. That's kind of disappointing. But the bathroom looks alright. So you've got free shampoo and shower gel there. A litless towel to dry yourself off with. Another massive mirror. Sink and a square toilet. So again, not too bad. In terms of storage, what have we got? We've got a nice little chair, bin. Yeah, so not bad for this room. It is kind of expensive for what it is, but it is in the middle of London, so yeah, can't really complain if this is in the middle of London. It's just a place to basically camp the night, to go to the Merlin attractions tomorrow, and then we'll head off to on the Eurostar to Disneyland Paris to do our solo adventure 2018, which is the 5th anniversary. So. But yeah, not too bad. It's somewhere, you know, easy to stay. Last year I stayed at the Comfort Inn, no, the Kingscross Inn, 2 years ago, sorry. But that was really expensive. This year, so it was about 100 something quid again for the night. So not too bad. Right, breakfast is included as well. So make sure you have a check on the Trivago website for the best price for this kind of hotel. And yeah, I'll next see you at the next room tour in Paris and Magic Circus. Well, I'm looking forward to the hotel room. It's actually got a fridge, so it's come handy keeping all the drinks cold. Anyway, see you in the next adventure. Bye.